YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy Key. So today we are doing a very simple recipe for potatoes. Yes, so we're going to get into a series of whereby we're going to be cooking breakfast. From now, I'll be showing you how to cook breakfast. The best recipes that you have never seen anywhere else in this world. So I'll be here to serve you guys. So if you've not subscribed, please consider to subscribe so that when I upload a new video, you'll be the first again to watch my video. And also comment, like, and share. So our ingredient for today is potato. This is our main ingredient. We also have our coriander here or dhania, and also I'm using my corn flour that we're going to prepare a very sumptuous breakfast for us using our potatoes. So let's get into the video. So we are peeling these potatoes and then we are going to boil them, and you will see what comes up later. Consider subscribe again, like, comment, share, and support your girl. Please support me, guys, please. If you're watching this video not subscribed, just subscribe, please. Let's get, we are at 1.211 subscribers. Please, let's get to 1300 subscribers, and I'll be so happy and grateful working together with you in this journey. For those who are subscribed, thank you so much for supporting your girl and also for watching my videos. Also like, if you feel the video is nice and inakubamba, please consider to like and also comment below some of the recipes that you really want me to prepare for you, because I'm here for you guys. I'm here to make you feel good. I'm here to make you happy. I'm here to make you motivated, to feel happy. Yes, with food. Yes, you don't need to be bored when you're preparing preparing food. Okay, so please, when you're chopping your dhania, please consider to check your dhanias well, because at times you find that they put some weeds inside. So for this one it's clean. So let's wash our potatoes and then we're going to boil them, and then we're going to start our recipe. Yo guys, our potatoes already have washed them twice, so we're going to add salt and then we boil. So let's put this on the heat and boil, get it to boil. Yo, so guys, as you can see, I have just boiled my potatoes. They are already cooked. So at this point, I'm going to mash them. So I'm using my fork to mash them. So a mistake that I did, and I would really want you not to do like I did, is that after I boiled my potatoes, I didn't mash them at that particular time, so I kept them aside for some minutes, and that's why that's one big mistake that I did. So it was so hard for me to mash them. So what I did, I had to add hot milk. And also this hot milk, it gave my potatoes a very nice taste, and it was very fine. I mashed them to a point that the potatoes were very fine. So after I finished, I went to add my flour. You can use any flour that you have, but for me I was using my corn flour. So I had to mix them so well until everything was fully mixed, as you can see in the video. So at this point now, I'm going to make my mini cakes with my potatoes, which came out so nice. This is a very nice and healthy recipe, even for your kids to carry even to school. And also, if your babies don't like food, this is a good snack for your baby in the morning. So you can just give the baby these potatoes with maybe a cup of milk, or maybe cup of tea, but I would prefer you take it with a cup of milk for the baby. You serve the baby with a cup of milk and a few fruits or their favorite fruits. So you can see I had already heated my oil, so it was super hot. So once I put my cakes, my mini potato cakes inside, it didn't take time. In fact, this is a recipe that only costed me, not only costed me, it took me not more than 10 minutes to prepare. The process was very simple and very easy, and also it's not a complicated procedure, and at the same time it saves your time, and it gives you a good and nice appetite for food. Okay, you don't have to take bread in the morning every day. So as you can see there, my potatoes were ready, and I had to sprinkle some chili on top because I forgot to put chili inside. So for me, I just sprinkled a few of them on top, and I was taking it with a cup of tea. Oh my goodness, this was so yummy. These are mini cakes for potatoes. Oh, with potatoes you can prepare anything you want. Anything. Potatoes are one of the ingredients that you can do anything. They fit everywhere. In every dish, potatoes can fit everywhere, even in a pizza. Yes, they fit everywhere. So you can see, with just I only used very few pieces of potatoes. So until my next video, see you guys.